Before time ever ticked, before the stars danced in the heavens or the oceans whispered across the shores, there was only silence deep, infinite silence. Nothing existed. No sky, no earth, no sound, no light. But from that stillness came a voice, powerful and commanding. Let there be light. And in that moment, light tore through the darkness, igniting the very beginning of existence. That was the first day of creation and origin, filled with mystery, purpose, and unimaginable beauty. What followed was a sequence of divine acts that shaped not only the world we know, but the story of all life, and ultimately, our very existence. On the second day, the Creator separated the waters, placing a vast sky between them. A new space was formed, a breath of air, a heaven above. On the third day, dry land rose from the waters. Mountains, valleys, and rivers took shape. The earth began to dress itself in green plants. Trees, flowers, and fruits sprung forth in vibrant color. Nature awakened with breathtaking precision, each element working in harmony. And still, there was no sun. The light that guided this creation came directly from the divine presence, illuminating every step. A world without light sources, yet full of life and order, a mystery in itself. Then, on the fourth day, God set the cosmic rhythm in motion. The sun was placed to govern the day, the moon for the night, and stars scattered like diamonds across the sky. These weren't just lights, they were timekeepers, setting seasons and marking the passage of days and years. On the fifth day, the seas and skies burst into motion. Birds soared through the clouds while fish danced through the ocean currents. Each creature was designed with uniqueness and wonder, perfectly adapted to its environment. The balance of creation was being established, one breathtaking detail at a time. On the sixth day, life expanded to the land. Lions roared, deer leaped, and insects buzzed. Every animal was created with intention. But none of them were like what came next. From the dust of the earth, God formed man, breathing into him the breath of life. Adam opened his eyes, alive and aware. Later, from his rib, came Eve, a companion, an equal, the first woman. Together, they walked in a garden unlike anything we can imagine. Eden, a paradise of beauty and peace, with everything they could ever need. But there was one boundary, one single tree they were told not to touch. The story of humanity had truly begun. And on the seventh day, the Creator rested not, because he needed rest, but to sanctify that moment, to reflect on the harmony of his creation. The universe was complete, full of order, beauty, and life. This wasn't just the origin of the world, it was the beginning of meaning, of relationship, of purpose. And even today, echoes of that creation are found in nature, in history, and within you. If this story inspired you, imagine how many more are waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with someone who loves deep and meaningful stories. And don't forget to activate the notification bell, so you never miss our next journey through the most powerful and mysterious narratives of all time.